Hello everybody, it's your old past SLOSMASHN with another fantastic tale of smashing and bashing. It's SLOmotion! And this tale, Pizza Monsters! Another one bites a crust, NECA. Open the flap, and there you get to see what you get if you found one of these in the stores, which I had to order. Look, some cool famous photographer, yeah. Shredder Baxter, and a little blurb right here. You could pause and read this if you want to.
Shredder and Baxter Stockman devise a scheme to ensnare the turtles with free pizza.
Free pizza with a Xenomorph in it, I think. Looks like a Xeno. Alright, so let's go ahead and quick it quick. Boom shakalaka, there's a pizza eating Xenomorph right there and everything that comes in a box, yeah.
Yeah.
Let's check out accessories real quick. Look at, he is a remote control pizza Xenomorph right here. Radio control, that's awesome right there. A little like prop, that's cool. Little controlling device, mutagen thing. And then I already have one of these guys. I forget what it came with, or maybe it was the April O'Neil pack, but these guys are cool. I'm glad they made the bigger ones. I wish I could get that guy in the orange variant. If I see him by slim chances in the store or see it online, I'm gonna get it. And then this cool little pizza box right here, in fact, opens up to, which I can't do one-handed, so you have to take my word right here, but look at the hinge right there. There's nothing inside. You put a little pizza right there, great for pictures. And then a pepperoni pizza with a Xeno on the side, yeah. It's a pizza in the box, yeah. And look at that stance, man. This thing is so cool. Look at that. I love it when hinges can, or figures can open their mouths like that. Oh, I forgot to mention, this was part of the accessory pack. It went in pretty easy without heat, since it's all rubbery and it's bendy right there, so that's cool. Pop on the tail, but look at this guy though right there. Look at that big old cone head. Either he's a cone head or a part Xenomorph. You be the judge right there. Let me know. That's in the comments below. But these big old meaty paws right here in a bright yellow. I like it. And just the overall look of them and ripples and just like the way he moves and articulates and just like a creepy stalker monster in the sewer like diorama like type setting would be cool for this guy right here. This is very cool. I wish I could get the orange one.
Yeah.
Okay, aside from playing him, you pretty much saw some articulation points at his head. Really just goes like, I love that. Look at it. This moves all over the place. And then, of course, that mouth hinge right there. Head is great right there. And forward and backward, flapping action like a chicken, like a Xeno chicken right there for the arms right there. And then he does have like an elbow swivel pivot thing with the double joints you can see right there. And a big old meaty claws right there that have a hinge, ball joint swivel, I believe. Yeah, mine's just a little stiff. Hinges up and down. The other arm does the same thing. And then he does in fact have a little bit of an ab crunch right there. It doesn't do much, or maybe I need to break it in. I don't think you can because those pieces are no way right there, but he does twist, nothing else. And then we go on to the legs. Side kicking action is really good. Forward kicking action is pretty good. And you see that double joint right there, that works too. And then we got the standard ankle pivot right there, rock it up and down. Big old Xeno feet right there. Can't help myself. You're either a sourpuss in life or you just like love the humor. Alright, I did my best to get him on his actual feet without relying on the tail, so we're gonna bust the tape right there up until the top of his cone right there, 9 inches tall I'd say, roughly. Oh yes, what about this box? We don't want this box. Yeah, actually I want the box. NECA boxes are pretty. You just add them into another box and never use them, so. But enough bibble babble sourpuss, let's get into some smashing action with this Xeno Pizza Monster now.
Close all the curtains, stay on the phone. We are the monsters, holding you still. answer the question. Is God on your side? We'll be together. We're the rebel tide. We are the monster. There's no place to hide. We're under your bed. We hide in the dark. We are the monster. An army of one. We are the monster. A hole in the sun.
SLOMOtion!
Alright, welcome back. Hope you all enjoyed that smashing action with this guy. Look at the choppers, guys. This guy's cool. I really want an orange one of this guy. But y'all let me know downstairs in the comments below. If you even seen this guy or heard of him. I vaguely remember him from my childhood. But anyways, let me know downstairs in the comments below. Pass or get him, or he just looks cool and you think it's cool on here that I'm showing it to you. Because you'll never get one. But anyways, until next tale, smash your bell, smash your thumb, subscribe if you ain't had to already. Because wow, chomp chomp chomp, pizza xenomorph, smashing out.
Smashing.